The Shiba Inu community was caught off guard, and honestly, nobody was prepared for what just happened. Coinbase, one of the largest and most trusted crypto exchanges in the world, has pulled a move that nobody saw coming. Billions of Shiba Inu tokens have been bought, the supply is being snatched up quickly, and this could be the early signal of something groundbreaking right around the corner. Many are now asking what exactly happened, why it makes sense, and what it could mean for the future of Shiba Inu. Let's break it all down step by step. To start with, something massive just sent shockwaves through the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Coinbase suddenly became the center of attention after an enormous Shiba Inu transaction took place. We're not talking about a casual whale flexing or some random movement on the blockchain. This was billions of tokens suddenly shifting hands, and it has ignited serious speculation. In crypto, such unusual and high-volume moves rarely happen without purpose. They're often a precursor to something bigger, whether it's a major partnership, a new listing, a strategic acquisition, or even preparation ahead of a bull run. When Coinbase is involved and tokens in the trillions are circulating, there's almost always more than meets the eye. Naturally, many people rush to analyze the situation and check if this sudden move had already made an impact on Shiba Inu's price. Interestingly, analysts point out that Shiba Inu has been pushing up strongly from its recent lows, building momentum, and showing signs of a solid recovery. The token is not just bouncing, it's holding firm above important levels, which indicates real investor confidence. In the last 24 hours alone, trading activity skyrocketed, with volumes hitting trillions of tokens. That kind of liquidity tells us that big money and major attention are converging on Shiba Inu again. Even more bullish is the fact that the price recently touched a local high but didn't immediately crash back down. Instead, it held steady, proving that this isn't a pump-and-dump situation. It's a sustained rally that could very well be the beginning of a much larger trend. Now let's talk about the most eye-catching part of this story. A mystery wallet has been making strategic moves that can't be ignored. This wallet pulled over 11 billion Shiba Inu tokens directly from Coinbase in one swoop. That's more than $1.3 million worth of Shiba Inu being moved out of the exchange. And the story doesn't stop there. Just 3 days before this big move, the exact same wallet accumulated another huge chunk, worth over $1.1 million in Shiba Inu. No signs of selling, no flipping back and forth, just consistent accumulation. As of now, this single wallet is sitting on a stash of more than 207 billion Shiba Inu tokens, valued at over $2.5 million. What makes it even more mysterious is that nobody knows who owns it. The wallet is not linked to a well-known fund, an exchange, or any influencer. It has no history of selling. It's completely silent, untouched, and looks like it's built for long-term holding. Whoever is behind it is clearly betting heavily on Shiba Inu's future, and the big question is, why? Do they know something we don't? Are they preparing ahead of a huge announcement or aligning with an institutional strategy? Or perhaps it's just a whale who believes in Shiba Inu's long-term potential and wants to accumulate quietly before the next surge. Whatever the reason, when someone removes over 100 billion tokens from an exchange and locks them away, it usually signals bullish intent. Interestingly, while all this action unfolded for Shiba Inu, Ethereum also started showing unusual activity. Daily transactions on Ethereum's network have spiked to levels not seen since the 2021 bull run, a period when crypto markets were on fire. Such activity rarely spikes without reason. It means something big is brewing under the radar. Despite many investors shifting focus recently to newer blockchains, AI tokens, or meme coins, Ethereum has quietly been reclaiming dominance, processing massive traffic, and proving its strength once again. Now here's where things connect in a fascinating way. On Coinbase, the same platform where these mysterious Shiba Inu accumulations are happening, Ethereum is also seeing record activity. Both assets are attracting significant attention at the same time, and that doesn't feel like a coincidence. Could this be a coordinated move? Is smart money quietly rotating back into strong long-term plays like Ethereum and Shiba Inu before the next bull cycle erupts? If so, retail investors may only catch on later, after whales and institutions have already positioned themselves. Adding more fuel to the fire, Shiba Inu has just made a major comeback. After weeks of sideways trading and quiet price action, it has suddenly returned to the spotlight. On June 30th, Shiba Inu officially rejoined the Trillionaire Club, with total on-chain transaction volume surpassing 1 trillion tokens in just one day. That is a massive milestone, signaling that momentum is back in full swing. From its late June low point, Shiba Inu staged a huge rebound, climbing nearly 72% in less than 10 days. Not only that, but it also broke above its 26-day exponential moving average for the first time since May, which is a strong technical indicator suggesting further bullishness. This wasn't just a lucky rebound. The rally came right after Shiba Inu broke through an important ascending trend line that had been holding support since the late June lows. This breakout is significant because it shows that buying pressure is real, not just hype-driven. Shiba Inu's market behavior is pointing towards sustainable growth backed by both technical strength and whale accumulation. When you put the pieces together, the massive Coinbase withdrawals, the mystery wallet accumulating hundreds of billions in tokens, Ethereum's unexpected resurgence, and Shiba Inu's technical breakout, the picture becomes clear. Momentum is building, and the stage might be set for a massive rally. Shiba Inu isn't just riding along with market trends, it's leading the charge among meme coins. Every signal right now is pointing bullish. Even on the community side, things look promising. Lucy, one of the lead marketers for Shiba Inu, recently tweeted a message that resonates with the true supporters of the project. She wrote, "Cheers to the real ones in this space, the ones doing the right thing, even when no one's watching. We need more people who actually care." This statement reflects the deeper vision behind Shiba Inu. It's not just about hype or chasing pumps, it's about building something meaningful with people who genuinely believe in the mission. Over the years, despite volatility and countless challenges, the Shiba Inu development team has consistently pushed forward. They've focused on creating utility, expanding the ecosystem, and keeping the community engaged. Now, the fruits of that hard work are becoming visible. With whales stacking tokens, transaction volumes exploding, Ethereum activity rising, and a united community standing strong, Shiba Inu looks well-positioned not just for short-term gains but for long-term growth. All in all, what we're witnessing right now could be the early stages of Shiba Inu's next big chapter. The combination of technical signals, whale behavior, exchange activity, and Ethereum's comeback forms a narrative that's hard to ignore. If this momentum continues, Shiba Inu might be gearing up for fireworks that could rival its past explosive runs. So, what do you think about this latest development? Do you believe these Coinbase moves and Ethereum's resurgence are linked? Or is it just an accumulation phase before the real bull run begins? Share your thoughts in the comments. And remember, staying updated is critical because missing key Shiba Inu news could mean missing out on major opportunities. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you never miss an important update. And if you found this analysis valuable, share it with others so more people can understand what's unfolding. The Shiba Inu story is far from over, and what comes next might just surprise us all.